Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Hello po, I just wanna share my weird story. I had sex with my stalker. Male, 23 years old. Nangyari yung stalking back in junior high school. Grade 10 ako, tas grade 9 siya. Ordinaryong estudyante lang ako pero ako yung napili niyang gustuhin. First weird thing she did was kabisado niya kung kailan ako magbabanyo. Every time na after ko mag-CR, nasa labas na siya ng banyo and siya na yung susunod na magbabanyo. At first, hindi ko napansin but it happened multiple times like consistent siya. Wala naman akong pake actually. Pero nagkaroon ng time na napatawag ako sa office at napagalitan ako dahil lahat ng books and notebooks niya may picture ko sa likod. Sobrang dami ng pictures ko. Weird lang kasi hindi ko naman siya friend sa Facebook and naka-private ang account ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya nakukuha yung pictures ko. Another weird thing she did was every time na may practice ako sa dance at basketball, andun siya hanggang umabot na ng 9 p.m. Uuwi na siya kapag uuwi na ako. She even bought yung mga crumpled papers ko sa cleaners namin sa room. Binebenta naman ng tanga kong kaklase. Lahat ng nakakausap kong babae, like normal na usap lang, inaaway niya afterwards. Isa sa pinaka-weird na ginawa niya was she found out kung saan ako nakatira. Nagpagawa siya ng tarpaulin na may name ko na malaki tapos may I love you. After this incident, I blocked her. It was a huge mistake. She contacted every family member ko, even nanay at tatay ko, may nagtatanong sa kanilang babae bakit ko raw binlock. It went on for a year hanggang sa makagraduate ako. Fast forward, third year college na ako and bumalik na naman siya. Inispam niya na naman ng messages ang social media accounts ko. Honestly, nung chinek ko yung Instagram niya, nag-glow up siya. So nireplyan ko siya. Grabe yung obsessions niya sa chats. May weird siyang inamin, muntik na raw niyang balakin patayin yung mga babaeng kumakausap sa akin back then. Although sinasaktan niya naman talaga yung mga babaeng yun, to the point na may mga pasa sila at napapa-office siya. I did not know na she was still into me even after years na walang interaction. I gave it a go. I thought to myself, what could go wrong? Fuck it, I'm a guy anyway. I told her na I did not want anything serious and she immediately said na mag-sex daw kami. Nashock ako and parang gusto ko na itigil agad. Pero I thought, YOLO, and we booked an Airbnb. We did it multiple times. Bale, 3 days kami nagstay sa Airbnb. After the happenings, she offered na maging fubo kami and umagri naman ako. Naging fubo kami for a few months. Napansin ko na may weird side pa rin yung obsessions niya. Like we did public sex kahit sa jeep at sa bus. We even did the deed sa bathrooms ng crowded places and changing rooms ng malls. After all those, she ghosted me. Bigla na lang siyang naglaho. Hindi ko alam ang reason pero wala na rin naman akong balak alamin. And recently, I found out sa friends niya from junior high na nag-ibang bansa na pala siya. She also stopped reaching out sa akin. Baka naka-move on na. Hopefully, she's good.